Yo, this is Action Bronson. I'm here for the trilogy. Funk Flex, New York City, Hot 97. You understand me? Blue Chip 7000.
This is what New York City sounds like. I'm here. Funk Flex, Action Bronson, Queens. Rest in peace to Prodigy. We recognize that. All right? Rest in peace, my brother. What we doing? Let's get this beat ready, Action.
Come on, man. This is the fucking trilogy. I want to say rest in fucking peace. James Rencher, Double O, man. The whole Rencher family, we love you. Just put my motherfucking album out, man. Yo, Flex, man.
Lift it up.
Just put my motherfucking album out, man. Just put my motherfucking album out. Yo, neck tattoos or praying hands couldn't help me, but I still smile for they selfie. Nah, we don't do anything again, man.
You wanna go from there?
I just wanna let them know something. I just wanna let you know, I'm back. Queens is in the motherfucking building, man. What up, Mr. Baklava? We haven't seen you in a while. It's great to see that smile. Your hair looks wonderful. Let me push this chair up under you. The weather's beautiful. You must have brought the sun with you. You're getting slimmer and you're tanner, huh? And you're speaking perfect Spanish. Must have spent some time in Panama. I gotta tell you that you're absolutely glowing. All that fishing and relaxing that you're doing, it's showing. I might take up rowing. Lay low until it's snowing. Then pop up looking Samoan. Mad sway, cover my toes in. My fancy words keep me frozen. It's so easy being me, cause I'm that same OG. All I wanna do is blow my weed and stroke my queen and buy a fleet of blue boats for the team. Fuck, man. Yo, my BMW scraped the floor. You understand?
I'm clear.
My BMW. The side of my crib looking like Wrigley Field, covered with ivy. I could have been one of the Isleys. Nothing surprises me, I'm obviously high in the driver's seat. It's like I'm rhyming on a silent beat. The groove move like voodoo, put a needle in the doll. Yo, is that Don Cheadle in the car? It looks just like him. About to watch the documentary that Spike did on Tyson. Shouts to Tracy Morgan, you inspire me, man. I fucking love you. Blue Chip 7000, fuck that's delicious book. We out here, you understand me? Queens in this motherfucker. Always, always, man. Yo, listen, one more time. Yo, in front of 50,000 screaming, higher than I ever been. Eyes closed, mommy, I'm a rock star. No one knows that I just woke up, got doped up. I just grabbed the mic and go nuts, eat donuts because I'm robust. I like to sit on women's shoulders, red karate outfits like I'm shown enough. I mean, I don't know how many times I could come up here and do this, man.
How many times you make it crazy?
This is the fucking trilogy. Blue Chip 7000, it's the last one of its kind. You understand? Starter, I got the fucking starter hat, the Blue Chip starter hat. Shouts to my man Todd Moskowitz, making shit happen. Very motherfucking focused.
Be clear.
Very clear. Shouts to Viceland. Shouts to my brother Mayhem. Shouts to fucking Body. Shouts to Al. Shouts to my man Mark the Jesus who always holds it down. Right hand man, he takes care of business. We back, motherfucker. Shouts to my motherfucking man Sam Crespo in the building.